Good morning!
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie care. Come on, babe.
Happy Sabado! Free ako today and aalis lang kami mga loves. Titingin kami ng books para kay Sofia. Mag-ano kami. Come on. Come on. Mag-bus kami. Come on. Gato siya sa ama niya. Show me your photo? Yeah, good show.
My didn't do color. I got pick it up.
I know. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Come on. Hi. Hi. Good show.
Dad wants to go to the shop too.
Can I buy my book?
No, for me. Not you, for me.
It's not fair, Dada.
No, no. Hey, that's not fair. It's not just for you.
De volgende halte is
Also me.
Scheidingsweg.
Yeah, I said that. Not just for you, but for me.
Take a look how much then she has.
6
I have €3.
No, can afford.
Come on. So fat. Wow. They're not kids na. Nog meer daar kids. Dat is van baby. Nog, dat is recipes. Wow, kijk. Nee, geen toegang. Kon je niet. This is color books and stickers. €1 from €1. Yan. Nahihilig si Sofia sa books ngayon. Nahilig siya sa books instead of buying toys. Books yung pinabibili namin sa kanya, pinapapili sa kanya. So, yeah. Smear van babies na. Kana kaka-eva kay ka.
Tiny books. I got a photo there.
It's for baby.
Moo. Moo. Dad.
Look! What is it? It's a worm of what?
Moo. Cow.
Ayan yung simbahan. Nakapunta lang ako dyan maybe 1 or 2 times. Oh, may mga tae. Yes.
Mama, you need to get.
Yeah.
Mama,
Tapos na kumain, Sofia kumakain pa din hanggang ngayon. Dinala na lang namin sa bag. Yung kanyang doggy bag. Malamig, uy.
Ik wil net zeggen, er was ook in de NAHYA.
No, do not open it. cake, mga loves. Laki ng bear.
Mama, I'm gonna take a beer at home.
Oy! Can you carry the bear? Oh. Bibili si Dada ng ano, kibling. Ayan o. Eto, ayan. Uy, meron pa nalang scampi. Kami ngayon mga labs sa wet market
And
na.
I go to the table.
Yeah. And, huwag mak ni Dada gets angry. Come na. Ano, dito kami sa wet market dito sa Rormo. Sofia, come na. Yeah. Servette.
The woman, my God, the woman.
Leave it. Do not touch it. Mama and Dada will eat it. Come on. This is Mama's shop. Dada, what is for this one? Yeah, it's for sugar, yeah. What? No, you can't. I'm looking for this color of this color. Or this one, but... Oh, that one, I will buy one. Pauwi na kami. It's a good day. It's a good day today, na? Yeah, where's Dada? Tick, tick, Dada. Careful. Uy! Nak, sometimes, nak, there's bicycles. Cake, there's bike. Huh? That hoof's neat. Only books, I said. Put it.
No, I like this.
Nee.
Favorite.
Nee. Go take a look there. You don't need that one. Just wasting money, you know. Toch?
My book is for
Yeah, go kids books.
my book.
Sure. Oh yeah. Nak, the under kasha. Die kasha. Say, alsjeblieft, wil je een boekje eerst? Even wachten, je bonnetje. Say, dankjewel. Say, fijne dag. Kom dansen. Waar ga je dansen? Hier? Nee, is niemand daar. Sayaw daw siya. Ay, okay. Go, go. Dansa. Abini. Come on, dance. Let's go. Come, dance. Let's go na. Come, Sophia. Let's go buy your tanda pasta. Come. Yeah, then bus. Come on.
No?
Yeah. Be careful. No, don't do like that. You're going to fall. Can you do it properly, I should believe? Shush.
Mama, anong bus? 999! Gana.
Hey.
I know.
Okay, tell them this is hi vlog. This is my school.
This is my school.
We are home, mga labs. I'm just going to show you kung ano yung binili namin. Okay. We have Dada is helping me. Yung books ni Arya. Meron siyang 3 books. We have also peanuts. We're going to try this one. Get your books now. Here. It's not ancient here. There's another one here. Here, you have another book. Shoe and your arm bunches. You put it and then come back. Meron tayong nabiling likrose na wala sa plano. Wala sa plano, but lagi ko siyang tinitignan kagabi. Sabi ko, sige, bili na lang. Ito. Ay. Ito yung ano. Pinili to ni Dada. Sa kanya to. And then, ito. Ito. Yes. Yan, ang ganda. So, 4 pieces. Yeah. Sus, makapagluto tayo nito ng madami. So, pwede siya in oven, freezer, dishwasher. Huh? What is this, Dada? Fire. Hindi siya pwede sa fire. But this one is, what's that? Oven.
22.
Would this case have been able to go on to trial? Trial against Daniel?
No,
But what about the forensic evidence you have? Wouldn't that have been enough?
it still would not have placed Dan
These
as a crime.
As
These-
for Daniel, once
I
again
left
scours through old
Yeah.
files, he discovers another important lead that somehow had been overlooked. While in
Clear
jail in 1997,
that they can
awaiting trial for
endure
murder of George
the
Allison,
circles. Hill.
Daniel Mallard
So this one you need to
confessed
color
to a fellow
hill.
inmate named Christopher
The
Hayes.
Drihuken, where's the Drihuken?
Circle.
A circle na. Where's the Drihuken?
Newspaper articles about the
Drihuken in clear blue.
place them in manila
And the fear count?
and then hide that envelope.
Pure.
Road.
Envelope.
So you need yellow. Yellow for the circle.
These are orange.
Daniel also
No, this
allegedly
is orange.
obtained about
Fear count sa road. Road na. And blue.
burying the body on his
Road and blue.
property.
Yeah.
Miss Peppa picked a gift for the book na Miss Dr. Bear. It's an upstand of neat upstand of many different time of piece of poo. It's called Dr. Peppa Pig. Of the course we more than 101.
So, kanina pala, may nakakahiyang experience kasi I'm about to pay na pero nakalimutan ko pala yung ano, yung pin code ba kasi hindi ko ginagamit masyado yung card. So, ending, si Bana nagbayad ng aking ano, Lecrose.
No.
Para gamit sa bahay. Parang sabi ko, gusto kong bumili kahit isa or dalawa. Ayun, nakabili ako. So, super happy. So, dito kami sa room ni Sofia. She is ready to sleep. And then, she's going to read her book. We have this routine na.
Peppa Pig book.
Yeah, so now we're going to read the Peppa Pig. Maganda to siya. It's like magazine na they have games, we have numbers, reading, and coloring. So this is about Peppa Pig, Doctor. So, ewan ko, baka maging doctor tong anak ko in the future. So, dito na kami. Ako ang magpapatulog kay Sofia. Ivawakta. Ako magpapatulog kay Sofia ngayon kasi si Dada nagpatulog sa kanya last night. And how was your day today?
Good.
Good. What did we do today?
We have so much fun.
We had so much fun. What school? You didn't go to school.
No.
In the
So much fun at school.
No, in the central. What did you do today?
Alright.
We ride the bus.
We ride a bus. Bah.
And then what did we buy?
My book.
How many books did you buy?
4.
4. So, no more toys, but
Only books.
only books.
Yeah, I need to buy more books.
Yan, more books. More books is like yung mga interacting na mga books. Yung mga question kasi mga loves, I find it difficult to ask her ba yung mga proper way how to ask. Kasi yung ano ko, shortcut, may mga pagkabisaya. So, parang sabi ko kay Bana, let's buy books kasi may mga questions doon and how to read it. It's
Mama,
so
I
nice.
fix the food by books.
Yeah, there's also stuffed toys.
Yeah.
Pano just in the bookstore, yeah.
Yeah, I don't need it anymore.
You don't need it, yeah. And what else did we do? What you had breakfast?
Yeah.
Where?
Downstairs.
Breakfast?
No.
There in the city. What did you do in? Nuggets and that. Where did you eat? McDonald's also. And then you went to play in the playground also. Where?
1 minute.
1 minute. And where?
And buy Dada books.
And then?
Dada books. Dada don't need that.
We need to buy caps for Dada, but we did not see anything. Wala pang mga summer caps for Dada, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also hat. I have 1 hat, 2 hat, and 3 hats.
Okay, so we are going to end this vlog because you're going to read your book, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, say to them na.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
See ya.
In our next vlog.
In the next vlog.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie care.